Union Cabinet has given a green signal of dissolving the Delhi government, Delhi Assembly. Now they will be going in for fresh polls, and they have started their campaign by firing a fresh salvo at the Aam Aadmi Party.
But not really taking those questions about what took so long for this to happen. Do remember that the Delhi Lieutenant Governor has been under fire for this delay of 8 months in a recommendation that Delhi's assembly be dissolved and fresh polls be ordered. Satish Upadhyay over there not willing to take any questions on that, saying that we have always maintained that once the Lieutenant Governor asks us to form a government, we will respond to that when that happens. A short while ago, of course, the Union Cabinet meeting ended where it did adopt that proposal of the Delhi Lieutenant Governor to essentially dissolve the Delhi Assembly, paving now way for fresh polls. We, of course, now the Election Commission of India steps into the picture. They will now decide when elections should be held in Delhi. The big question is, will elections be held in Delhi along with Jammu and Kashmir as well as Jharkhand, or will they be held next year, perhaps in January or February next year?
Also, another agenda to be watched out for is if this delay would benefit the BJP in if the elections are held after Jharkhand and Jammu and Kashmir polls, say in January or February, because so far in the 8 months a lot has changed for the BJP government and in the central leadership after the Lok Sabha win and the state poll wins. So the BJP as of now is confident of taking the Modi plank and going ahead with the Delhi government. Let's listen in to more reactions now coming in from the Congress party and the Aam Aadmi Party.
ठीक है, वी ऑलवेज हम लोग हमेशा चाहते थे चुनाव हो दिल्ली में, कांग्रेस यही चाहती थी और स्वागत है इस बात का, चुनाव होंगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा।
प्रोफेसर सर, बीजेपी डरी हुई थी इतना डिले किया गया डिसीजन लेने में, बहुत दिन तो सरकार ने
आप सब मेरे ख्याल से हथकंडे अपना रहे थे सरकार बनाने के, जब वो पूरे नहीं हुए तो अब कोई और ऑप्शन ही नहीं है चुनाव में जाने के अलावा।
ये मांग तो हम पिछले 8 महीने से कर रहे हैं कि एलजी साहब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को, राष्ट्रपति महोदय को विधानसभा भंग करने की रिकमेंडेशन भेजें, और अगर 8 महीने पहले हो गई होती तो ये शेर सिंह डागर स्टाइल ऑफ फंक्शनिंग जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने चला रखा था कि 4 करोड़ विधायक खरीदो, 20 करोड़ विधायक खरीदो, पदों का लालच दो, तोड़ने का लालच दो, ये सब नहीं होता। बट एनीवे हो गया, और अब उम्मीद करते हैं कि जल्दी ही राष्ट्रपति महोदय की तरफ से निर्देश आ जाएगा कि दिल्ली की विधानसभा भंग करी जाए। हम चुनाव के लिए पूरी तरह तैयार हैं।